Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove key fob battery on Renault Megane 4 Kadjar Captur symbol in 4 easy steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is a Renault Megane 4 key. So to replace the key fob battery, you just have to locate that small hole to insert a flat blade screwdriver. So insert that small screwdriver and lift it up. This is the plastic cap. It's easy to remove it. Now you can see the battery. So to remove the battery, also you will need a flat blade screwdriver and insert the screwdriver underneath the battery and lift it up. So the Renault key is using a CR2032 battery that you can find it in the video description below. After you buy the battery, install the new battery in place. And then just put the plastic cap back on the key fob. And that's it. It's very simple. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.